Today we're going to be talking about Python escape characters. Escape characters are special symbols built into Python that allow us to put special characters that mean something to the Python programming language inside strings. So, for example, the quotation marks, are the start and end of a string. So if I wanted to print out he said, comma, quote, hello, double quote, and I want these double quotes to show up in my output, the starting double quote would try to close the opening double quote. If I did not use the escape character, which is a backslash in Python, my string would end here, and then I would get an error because it wouldn't know what the variable hello exclamation mark would be. So we use an escape character to put the actual double quote symbol into our output. Same thing with single quotes. A backslash single quote is a way to put an apostrophe into our strings. If we were going to type out something like, it's a beautiful day. Again, escape characters start with a backslash in Python. Think of the backslash as escaping the character that follows it. So the most common that we're going to use are, like I said, the single and double quotes. Backslash n gives me a new line character. So if I were to print out the string hello backslash n world, it would actually print out hello on one line, and then a new line character, which makes my cursor go to the next line, and then world. If I wanted to put a tab in, that's a horizontal tab. Python renders the backslash t escape character as 4 spaces. So hello, and then a tab, 4 spaces, and then world. When we want to print things out that are nicely spaced out, tabs are pretty helpful. And the last one that I talk about and we use a lot in our class is the backslash if I want my string to be a file path. This is a common use that you would see in computer sciences. Maybe you want to tell somebody, okay, open up the C drive, then open up the users folder, and then open up the desktop. I need to print out this single backslash that denotes this is the desktop folder. This is the users folder. Well, to do that in Python, the backslash tries to escape the capital U, which Python doesn't understand. So in order to print out a backslash, we will use a double backslash everywhere we want a single backslash. That's escape characters.